It's Adam Brody, and you're watching LifeMinute.
If you could stop the next 9/11 from happening, you'd do that, right?
All my chips are in the middle. That's all we should be focused on right now.
Woo! Season 3. Twice the storylines, twice the characters.
All the chips are in the middle of the table, and we're letting it ride, baby.
The NSA wants into our network, so we're sort of pitted against the government. It sort of turns us all against each other. I think we're more at odds as a group than we've been in the previous seasons.
Everything that we did, that we got right in season 1 and season 2, I think it's just amplified in this season. I think the season has 85 times more things going on.
A lot of twists and turns, so many characters, so many plot twists.
It's probably our best season yet.
We're talking about thousands of innocent people.
The NSA is not trying to shut you down.
What else am I working on? I did a show called Curfew for Sky Television. That's really neat and bonkers. And I'm in Shazam, which is cool and exciting. That was really exciting. I got to film that in Toronto, and I probably can't say more about that, but I was in it.
I have my own movie studio called Wing and a Prayer Pictures. We had a movie here at Tribeca that won the Audience Award last year called To Dust that opens the beginning of 2019.
Just wrapped a film that Dee Reese directed. It's got Anne Hathaway in it, Ben Affleck, Willem Dafoe. It's adapted from a Joan Didion novel called The Last Thing He Wanted.